they could catch up on their credit card payments and put a down payment on a new SUV. Originators helped with that. They contributed. They told borrowers how to lie. They covered up for them. They cheated where they could. There was no QC going on these mortgages because there was just too much volume to keep up with them. So even well-intended originators couldn't look at enough loans to catch all the flaws and all the fraud going through. The high yields that we saw on mortgages attracted uninformed investors, and I think that that was a contributor to the downfall. Everybody started buying these things, even people who really didn't understand mortgage product. I think that some investors bought this product knowing that it included a lot of problems, and they got over it because it wasn't disclosed to them in writing, and so they didn't really have to disclose it up front to their investment committees. I think other people possibly just didn't understand the risk but knew it was there. That frenzy, though, drove the price up for these loans, which were getting worse and worse in quality, but were not defaulting yet because, again, people could go out and get another loan to get themselves current. CDOs and derivatives added fuel to the flames. Off-balance sheet accounting meant that some institutions got to invest in this product when they really had no business investing in this product. In '06, we began to see the first rumblings, the first indications that people were worried that mortgagors in the United States would not be able to continue to make their payments. And it really was that. I think it really did just start with perceptions that maybe this product wasn't as golden as it seemed. It took about a year, and in the summer of '07, the message finally began to get to Wall Street that investors weren't going to continue to buy these things unless Wall Street cleaned them up and stopped putting pure fraud loans, the ninja loans, no income, no job, no asset loans, into securitized pools. It took Wall Street a little while to get the message back to the originators, the likes of Countrywide, and tell them we're not going to buy your product if it continues to have this poor quality. It took a few weeks for Countrywide to tell the borrower, I'm sorry, but I'm unable to lend to you for the first time in a number of years. It then took the borrower a few weeks to get so far behind on his or her other payments that they finally began to let their mortgage payments slip. So now we're talking end of '07, beginning of '08, February of '08, everybody got their Christmas bills and their credit cards, and they fell further behind than ever. They couldn't get a new loan, and they started to default. Bond prices reflected